everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited about this video because it's a topic that I'm very passionate about. Just as a disclaimer, I am not fully zero waste. I've definitely made my way towards being fully zero waste, but every day is a step, and every day there's some progress that I make towards becoming, you know, having that balance of me being able to live my life and still not create waste or not create as much waste as I used to. And these items are just things that I use on a daily basis all the time that have truly changed how much waste I create, have definitely made the biggest impact in how much waste I create. I would like to give a few shout outs before I start. Terracycle is a program that I think is amazing, and they do a lot of free recycling, and they help you locate certain recycling centers. They let you research brands that mail in recycle or have recycling programs, and most of the time it's free, so check that out. I'll link it in the description. I also want to shout out Package Free Shop because that's where I got a lot of these items, and they're an amazing small business owned by Lauren Singer. You may know her as the girl who fit like 3 or 4 years of trash into a little mason jar, and she is fully zero waste. She composts her food waste. She does it all, and I think she's such an inspiration. So a few years ago, after seeing her video, I was really inspired, and that's kind of what led me to begin my journey. First I started by recycling more, and then I realized, wait, someone else said this. It might have been Bea, who I will also link, who's a zero waste legend, who said that zero waste is not about recycling more, it's about recycling less by not even having that packaging to begin with. I still shop from brands that are not sustainable. Like, I'm still learning that balance every day. I still use things that I shouldn't, and I still buy products that have packaging. So every day I work towards doing more and more. These are just a few of the steps I'm taking to make my impact on the planet a little bit more positive. I'm gonna start with personal care, hygiene, stuff that you might find in a bathroom or vanity room if you have one. This one is a tongue scraper, and I think it's something that a lot of people don't even use, but for me it's a must. I've been using one for years and years, and when I brush my teeth I use a tongue scraper. It's a must-have for me. Like, I take it with me anytime I take my toothbrush anywhere. Like, it's just as important for me. So I love it, but I was using a plastic one. I ordered this from Package Free. Simply added this onto my order so I could meet the shipping minimum, and then when it arrived and I tried it, I was like, whoa, that's what I've been missing out on. This works so much better than the plastic one. It actually like really cleans your tongue. I know this is a weird subject, but amazing. And this is all stainless steel, so really it can last a lifetime. If you've ever seen that Reddit thread that's buy it for life, this is a buy it for life type of thing, because it also has no weird rivets. It's fully polished, clean stainless steel, so you can clean it. It's not like it's gonna get gross and stay gross or anything. But if you happen to be done with it, or it breaks, or you don't want to use it anymore, it can always be recycled, which is awesome. My next item, I have to shout out to my coworker, Lauren. It is, well, it's specifically her mom's goat milk soap, but it smells so good. But really I want to focus on the category of handmade soap, bar soap that doesn't have packaging. Hopefully that's made in a responsible manner, but honestly, I still have a few bottles of body wash in my bathroom, just a few, but once I'm done with those, I'm gonna buy package-free bar soap. That is my favorite solution for a package-free body wash. Now onto shampoo. So I'm actually still finishing up a bottle or two of shampoo, but I wanna, again, shout out someone else, my best friend Vicky, who has started buying Lush shampoo bars, and there are all kinds of shampoo bars you can buy. They don't have to be from Lush, but they sell theirs package-free. They also sell a tin to go with it, but really if you could reuse and upcycle something is probably a better idea than buying another tin. But she has really liked the shampoo bars, and I remember using them probably in middle school, and I remember not liking it, but I'm definitely gonna give them another try once I'm done with my own shampoo bottles. Scary looking razors. These are stainless steel safety razors, and this one is fully stainless steel. I got this one from Package Free. And this one is plastic handle, and it has some stainless steel on it, but actually this is upcycled. My dad gave this to me. He used to use this back in the day and doesn't use it anymore. So I took it, I stole it, and now it's mine. This one's brand new. I've been using this, but it's a great alternative to expensive, plastic-filled, overpriced, especially if you're buying women's razors. That's another topic I don't even want to get into. Are definitely very overpriced, but full of plastic and really just, I mean, it's not even just an eco thing. It is fully an eco thing because this, for example, is fully recyclable and so are the blades that you buy. But really, you can get 100 blades for this for like 10 bucks. So cost-wise, it's way more cost-effective and way better for the environment because it can all be recycled, but truly another Buy It for Life product should last you forever. Like, people are still selling used ones on eBay and Amazon. Now I'm gonna move on to kind of home and food products. I wanna start with my favorite product probably of all time in terms of reusable stuff. Seriously, I use this every day, like 10 times a day, if not more. I refill it so many times, and I have a few of these water bottles. I don't buy any more, but I did amass a few, just a couple, but I use these so much that it is worth every single penny I ever spent, and I try not to use plastic water bottles. But there are others that are just normal bottle shaped. And you don't have to get the $40 Swell bottles. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg, and honestly, all of these products are things that you will get so much more use out of than the one-time use products, and you'll end up saving more money in the long run. The next thing I love is straws. Stainless steel straws, and I know a lot of companies lately have been getting on the bandwagon for stainless steel straws, and I'm so freaking happy about it. I really, really, really am. I truly am. My little set is from Amazon, and it came with 2 little cleaners and I think about 8 straws, but I've been using these nonstop. I take them to work, I keep some at work, and they're easily washable because they come with this little cleaning device. I don't remember what they're actually called, but plastic straws are unnecessary and totally, totally avoidable. And they're also really, really bad for the environment and very hard to recycle because they're so small. So this is an easy way, and these were super, super inexpensive. Everything I mention here I will tag below, but these were about $8. So very inexpensive product, and really you can get so much use out of it. Again, they're all fully stainless steel. So even if for some reason you don't want to use it at some point and you have to dispose of it, you can recycle it. To continue with the food category, reusable cutlery. So I have obviously stainless steel flatware at home, but I also keep a set of flatware that's stainless steel at work. And people at work always see me doing dishes, like mugs. I'm washing mugs, I'm washing glasses, I'm washing spoons, forks, knives. I try not to use too much water. Of course, that can be a negative in its own way. These are bamboo. I got these from Package Free. This is their to-go-ware pack, and it comes with little chopsticks. It comes with a fork, a knife, and a spoon, and this is great just for to-go. If I'm traveling, I like to take this with me. I don't really use it on a daily basis, but I love it. It's very convenient. So hanging on the side of your jeans so you're never without reusable. Never mind. I also quickly want to mention a few things I use in place of candles. There is a really cute store near me that sells Palo Santo sticks, which smell amazing. They also sell hand-dipped incense, which I love, and they sell, this is a sage bundle, but this is with lavender as well, but they do regular sage as well. So I love that store specifically because all their products are handmade and hand cut and carved and wrapped, and you can buy anything package free, which is really cool, and supporting local stores is always great. So a last product I want to mention that is a hugely important thing, and I almost forgot it, reusable bags. So this one is a reusable bag from Trader Joe's, so I actually bought this, which is worse for the waste cycle. I could have upcycled something, but I have a lot of bags that are upcycled, so I use these for groceries, but I don't really buy any more recyclable or reusable bags. This one is a bag that was made out of a t-shirt, and I love that. I think, plastic bags are a huge problem, and I love that a lot of companies and a lot of countries and a lot of cities are taking steps to reduce the use of plastic bags and plastic straws. So shout out to everybody who's doing their part, and shout out to anybody who's even watching this video, because it means you're taking another step towards making a difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Again, these are products I use every single day. My goal is to be zero waste at some point, but it definitely doesn't happen overnight. And I think throwing away all your products at once to make room for, oh, hey, zero waste products is more wasteful than just using up what you have and slowly trying to replace things that you can with zero waste alternatives.